Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 8a. Solve for x correct to one decimal place in the given interval. We have 1 minus 2 sine squared x is equal to negative 1 over 7. Right? If you check this part, what do you recognize here? You have to recognize the double angle formula. Remember, this is equal to cos 2x. This is equal to cos 2x. You can check that in the formula sheet. This is cos 2x is equal to negative 1 over 7. Okay, and then find your reference angle. So what is 2x is equal to cos negative 1 over 7. Then you put this in the calculator. You'll get that 2x is equal to 98.2 degrees. Remember, sit one decimal place. This is our reference angle, so we put it in our general solution. It's cos 2x, so you can say 2x is equal to positive or negative 9.8.2 degrees plus k times 360 degrees, where k is an integer. And then after this, you can divide everything by what? By 2. Okay, that x is equal to positive or negative 49.1 degrees plus k times 180 degrees, where k is an integer. Now this is our general solution. So what you can do, we can put this in the calculator. Let's just do that. So what you do, you go to mode and then you look for the table. In some calculators, the table is on number 3. You enter table. In this calculator is 7, so it's table. Then after this, you can enter your equation. You want to put this one, positive 49.1 degrees plus 180 times k. Put 49.1, and then plus, then say 180 times k. So times k, we put x. So we press alpha, then x. See that? And then that's our first equation, positive 49.1 there is our reference angle. Then press equals, and then you can put the second one, which is negative 49.1, negative 49.1 plus 180 times k. So it's 180 times k. We say alpha x, and then equals. Then you can start, let's say, from negative 2 and then up to say 2, and then it's saying steps 1. It's like you're entering negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, like that. Okay, where there's k, you're putting negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Right, then you press equal sign. You see, these are the solutions. So you check your solutions, the ones which are between negative 180 degrees and 90. We have negative 130.9, we have it there. We have negative 49.1, it's one of the solutions there. We have positive 49.1, which is also one of the solutions there. Maybe let's check the other ones. Right, these ones are sort of outside our domain. So we just have these three, negative 130.9, 49.1, and negative 49.1. This is our solution. X is equal to negative 49.1 degrees, and then 49.1 degrees, and negative 130.9 degrees. These are the x values in the given interval. Right, the other thing you could have done, you could have said 1 minus 2 sine squared x. You can transpose 1, and then we have negative 2 sine squared x is equal to negative 1 over 7 minus 1. Then negative 1 over 7 minus 1, that should be negative 8 over 7. So you have negative 2 sine squared x is equal to negative 8 over 7. Then divide both sides by negative 2. You get that sine squared x is equal to 4 over 7. Right. We need to sign x first. So the square root both sides. So it's going to be sine x is equal to positive or negative square root of 4 over 7, right? And then you're going to find your reference angles here. You find your reference angle using positive square root of 4 over 7 and also negative square root of 4 over 7. They start with positive square root of 4 over 7. So x is equal to arc sine square root of 4 over 7. Then get that x is equal to what? 49,1 degrees. That's our reference angle, right? And then we can also say x is equal to arc sine of negative square root of 4 over 7, like this. Then what do we get? Right, we're getting that x is equal to negative 49,1 degrees. Right, so we have two reference angles here. Remember, for sine x, so the first one from this one, we're going to have x is equal to 49,1 degrees plus k times 360, where k is an integer. Or we can have x is equal to 180 degrees minus 49,1 degrees, and then plus k times 360 degrees, where k is an integer. We have this part also. X is equal to negative 49,1 degrees plus k times 360 degrees, where k is an integer. We can also have x is equal to 180 degrees minus negative 49,1 degrees plus k times 360 degrees, where k is an integer. Then you can put these things in the calculator. You're still going to get what? You're still going to get these as your solutions.